What's good, everybody on YouTube? It's your boy Brandon back with another video, and today guys we have this Yeezy 700 Vantas to unbox. So I actually got these, picked them up. They released on May 31st in store, and they're going to release June 6th on Adidas.com and Yeezy Supply, I believe, and other online retailers, but the main online global drop is on June 6th. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So first up, you got this Yeezy 700 regular box with the 700 on top. We're gonna open these bad boys up. And here are the shoes, guys. These are the Yeezy 700 V2 Vantas. Gonna give you guys a quick 360.
But I treat it like my city show. 20 more minutes into it more. 20 more minutes into it more. 20 more minutes into it more. 20 more.
Alright guys, so this is the Yeezy 700 V2 in the Vanta colorway. It's all black, but there is different shades of black, obviously. So here on the midsole is the regular 700 midsole that we see all the time. It has a few hints of gray in there. And in the light, it's really like a dark purple. That's what I've seen in photos. Here on the upper, we have a different combination of materials. We have suede, we have mesh, and we have a little bit of like a rubber kind of. But overall, I think the quality is like really good on these. They have a really nice suede to them. They have a really nice feel. And here on the tongue, we have the 700 V2 tongue. These are attached to the actual sneaker, unlike the 700 V1s, which are kind of loose and you can play with them. What else do we have? On the bottom, we have the full boost underneath the sole, and these are the regular 700 soles. On the inside, we do have the 3 stripes, kind of just like, looks just like the outside. And also these 3 stripes here, they are reflective along with other parts of the shoe that are 3M. So overall guys, this is your standard 700 V2s. I would definitely consider picking these up. These are one of my favorite releases of June, and they're also really comfortable. I definitely suggest waiting a bit until everybody gets their pairs, and you're probably going to be able to get these under retail. These are 300 retail, I believe. And yeah, now we're going to move on to the on foot section so I can give you guys another look.
I said, girl, why you keep calling? I said, girl, why you keep calling? Yeah. She said, I need a new whip. Yeah, cause I know that you're still ballin'. She just wanna go back to the future, so I brought that girl a DeLorean. 21 minutes until I gotta go, so I told that girl I'm gonna slaughter it. Show. Left her man in the crowd on the floor. Out of town, never saw her before. Told her, baby, we don't got that long. Listen, this not my city show, but I treat it like my city show. 20 more minutes into it more. 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 Yeah, I am not slow. Girl, you want me cause I got that dope. That's that girl right on my friend, give me go. He passed me her friend, so they switching roles. Yeah, I hit it fast. Yeah, I hit it slow. But by the morning, girl, I gotta go. Gotta get ready, tonight is my show. If you okay, you might help in my show. Gotta be partners right under my nose. These niggas mad cause I got all the dough. These niggas mad cause I got all the dough. Changing my style cause I got every flow. Got every girl, ain't no top in my hoes. I understand that it's your girlfriend, bro, but you know I gotta keep her close. I'll be a Lex and I keep them close. Living life on the edge, on the tightrope. I am so clean, I might start moving so. Try the new Rari, I don't need to know. Try the Bugatti like it's a bubble. I had your girl and you already know. Don't really like her, we friends for the truck, color all on my jaw. Don't even crow, got the bread in your toast. If you that touching my gun, got no horse. I put a coat on the top of my coat. Only 20 minutes before the show. I met that girl right up at my show. Left her man in the crowd on the floor. Out of town, never saw her before. Told her, baby, we don't got that long. Listen, this not my city show, but I treat it like my city show. 20 more minutes into I'm on. 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 Yeah, I am not slow. Girls, you want me cause I got the dough. That's that girl right on my friend, give me cold. He passed me her friend, so they switching roles. Yeah, damn, I just started it. Man, I just started it. Oh my God, please do not bother me.
Alright guys, so yeah, that's going to be the end of the video. I hope you guys did enjoy. Please be sure to leave a like down below and subscribe. Turn on post notifications to let you know when I'm uploading. But yeah, overall this shoe, love it. Really has that dad shoe vibe. And yeah, overall really good shoe. I love the 700 V2 silhouette. And out of all the V2s that have released, I'd say this is probably the best one, along with the Statics. So that's gonna be the end of the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed, and peace.
Go back to the future, so I brought that girl a DeLorean. 21 minutes until I got go, so I told that girl I'm gonna slaughter it. I met that girl right up at my show. Left her man in the crowd on the floor. Out of town, never saw her before. Told her, baby, we don't got that long. Listen, this not my city show, but I treat it like my city show.